We keep asking ourselves how to bring the real world into digital space more clearly. On renovation sites, missed measurements, errors, irregular shapes, and complex spaces can affect design accuracy. That's why the SHARE3DCAM AI Engine has been fully upgraded. From scanning to design, it delivers more accurate dimensions and more complete data for a smoother workflow. CAD drawing is now available in PointClouds Studio. AI extracts spatial information and generates draft CAD plans and sections. The WG files can be exported with PointCloud underlays, so users can work in CAD software and edit against the real-side data. And it connects seamlessly with existing workflows and greatly improves measurement and drafting efficiency while reducing missed or incorrect measurements. For hidden work records, irregular spaces, and elevated inspection, users can compare PointCloud methods with design drawings for direct verification. They can reset traceable and reviewable. With the upgraded colorization algorithm, image to PointCloud mapping is more accurate, combined with SHARE3DCAM's large CMOS sensor. PointCloud colors look more natural and detailed. SHARE3DCAM's 3D Gaussian splitting is now available. Built on years of algorithm development and massive datasets training, it tightly fuses line-down data with visual imagery. In PointClouds Studio, users can generate high-quality Gaussian models for free, even in weak texture spaces like window walls. SHARE3DCAM Gaussian models deliver flatter surfaces and more accurate geometry, supporting renovation design, construction workflows, and spatial presentation. With the upgraded intelligent PointCloud filtering algorithm, PointCloud thickness can be optimized to 5 mm. For on-site metal surfaces, glass, mirrors, and other reflective materials, the system can intelligently recognize them and filter false wall artifacts from traditional methods for renovation measurement and construction records, providing a cleaner, more stable data foundation. For moving people often seen on sites and cluttered site environments, SHARE3DCAM's neural network AI model supports dynamic object filtering and person segmentation, reducing the need to clear the site, while still capturing cleaner 3D data and improving on-site capture efficiency. From capture to modeling to delivery, the upgraded SHARE3DCAM AI Engine helps the AEC industry work faster and better.